Rev up your engines!
Rapster Dare says, I'm worried about buying a used car for cheap. I don't want to cough it out on me. I'm contemplating buying a newer Civic or a Toyota 86. How do I know if a used car is good and long-lasting? Well, you know, there's an art to that. I'm a mechanic. I can tell you really fast. So if you can find a guy like me, you have me check it out before you buy the thing. Because if you do that, generally, you're not going to have any problems. A mechanic can tell. 50 years of work on them, I can tell you, hey, this is a good car, no, this is a bad car. And you save a ton of money if you buy a used Toyota or a used Honda and it's in good shape. Like, I can buy cars for $3-4 grand that maybe have 70% of their life left. And when they were new, they were $30,000. So that's a good deal. Now, if you're worried and you don't mind plunking out for a newer Civic or a Toyota 86, go ahead if you don't mind spending that kind of money, because it's going to last a long time too. So that's more choice up to you. Even my son, he was going to get a used pickup, and I was looking around. He said, heck, I'll just buy a new Tacoma because I might have it for 30 years, so what do you care? And in that case, there's nothing wrong with buying a new one.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.